bongga lang na muling binalikan ni Kim Chiu ang masasayang moment, harutan at lambingan nila ni Paolo Avellino. Yes, bagamat sabi nga niya ay long overdue na pero super kilig pa rin ang dating sa mga fans. Heto nga ang chika ni Kimi. Thank you, long overdue. Grateful beyond words for this beautiful journey with my love will make you disappear. This movie came a long way with its fair share of bumps and unexpected turns, but through it all, I'm deeply thankful for the opportunity given to me. In a time where so much content is just a click away, being trusted to lead a film made for the big screen feels incredibly special. Thank you Star Cinema 173 million and counting. To the amazing people behind the scenes promo, team creative, writers, Direk Chad V. Danes, my wonderful co-stars, and my leading man Paolo Avellino, thank you for your heart, time, and dedication. To everyone who organized block screenings here in PH and across the world, to the Kimmers, Kimsters, Paus, and Kim Paus, your love, effort, and endless support never fail to lift us up. To all the malls we visited, maraming salamat sa mainit na pagtanggap, and to everyone who watched the film, maraming salamat po. My glass almost emptied, but it never did because your love and support fueled me all the way, and for that I am grateful. Mabuhay ang pelikulang Pilipino. Mabuhay ang rom-com. Mabuhay tayong lahat na patuloy na naniniwala sa pag-ibig. This is Sari, saying maraming salamat sa tiwala at pagmamahal. Forever grateful. PS kulang ang 20 slides sa mga memories na gusto ko i-share. At yes, makikita nga sa 20 photos na pinost ni Kim ang iba't ibang masasayang karanasan niya sa piling ni Paolo. Ano ang sa inyo sa balitang ito?